So hello friends, Institute has released some instruction for foundation students, those who are giving examination in December 2020. So let's start. Before starting, make sure you have pressed the subscribe button so that you will get all the updates. So let's start. First important point is you can use your mobile phone also for giving examination, and home-based examination will be there. So you will not worry much about that. So you can use your mobile, laptop, desktop, and tab also for home-based examination. Center-based option will be not be there for foundation. Second point is you have to keep with you identity proof, that is voter card, driving license, Aadhaar card, or whatever it is. Third important point is system check will be there. So you have to make sure power backup and proper internet will be there. So how to do that? So link is given in point number 6. So I will share the notification whenever it will be available. So and I have also made a video how to do a system check. So I am giving link in the I button also and giving link in the description, so you may check. Third point is you have to capture the photograph and ID proof that is given in link. So whatever the process is there, I have already explained in video. I am giving link in the description. So you have to enter your identification number, registration, and date of birth. So make sure you have entering a correct date of birth and identification number. Fifth important point is candidate students must provide correct and updated contact details like mobile number and ID card and email ID also. So make sure you have entering a correct email ID. That is also important and very much important. You have to enter your correct email ID and mobile number. So all the credential will be given to that two option only. So make sure you have entering a correct email ID and mobile number. Seven important point is the examination will be conducted in MCQ mode only, and 50 MCQ for each subject will be there, and each MCQ carry 2 marks. So 100 marks paper will be there. So and ninth important point is there will be no negative marking, and 10 important point is 100 MCQ will be there up to 200 marks. Detailed notification I have already made a video on that, so you may check from link in a CMA Foundation playlist. 11th point is all candidate students will have to appear in foundation examination through online mode using mobile, laptop, desktop from their home only. So here it is clearly mentioned you have to give your examination through home only. So center based option will not be available with you. So 12th number important point is students are requested to appear the foundation student examination from their home by login within the time span given. So whenever you will get your link, so you have to open the link and log in and enter your credential which are already given in email ID and mobile number. So make sure you have entering a correct email ID and mobile number. 13 number important point is mock test schedule will be released soon. So you have to give a mock test which is same like a examination. Before examination it will be available, so you have to give that also. 15 number are not much important. So 16 number is also not important because result date also will be announced in due course. And 17 number point is most important. You have to fill that form before 11th November. So make sure you are filling that form before 11th November, and share this video to all CMA Foundation students. Okay, so they will all get updates. So and press the subscribe button.